Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Boosters. Pearson Edexcel International AS A Levels Pure Mathematics 1 P1 Chapter 1 Algebraic Expressions. Continuation of teachings for the exercise 1D. Here indices can be negative numbers or fractions. So here what we are going to see, some more different type of different laws of indices. Like these are the four laws of indices. A to the power 1 by m equal to root of a. Here inside instead of cubical root, square root, we have m, like that we need to make it, and here n by m. So the expansion will be coming like this, and a to the power minus m, here that is equal to 1 by a to the power m. This is common, a power 0 equal to 1. This and all we already know about it. And here we need to apply these laws of indices for negative numbers or fractions by using this laws. We are going to simplify this x cube divided by x to the power minus cube. So here if we take x power minus 3 upside, it will be x to the power 3, so that we need to apply the multiplication law, so that the answer will be x to the power 6. Again for another problem, x to the power 1 by 2 multiply x to the power 3 by 2, we have to apply the multiplication law. So if we multiply, we have to add this one, so that you'll be getting 1 plus 3 4 by 2, it should be 4 by 2 is 2x square. So again we have to multiply this one, so that you'll be getting x square. And again you need to simplify this one. So 125 you can make it as 5 cube. So otherwise you can write like this way. So here 125 to the power 1 by cube to the power 1 by 3. So again here it is. So we all know that this for 125, cubic root of 125 is 5. Again if we cancel, we will be getting 5x square. And again for the another simplification, 2x square minus x divided by x power 5. So we need to follow the division rule, like we have to segregate the terms 2x square by x power 5 minus x by x power 5. Like that we have to do the division part. We have to segregate the divisional part like numerator and denominator, and we have to simplify separately. So here we will be getting 2x cube minus 1 by x power 4. So we have to cancel x here, we have to cancel here x square, so that we are getting the answer like this. And we can rewrite in the form as x power minus 4 minus cube and x to the power minus 4. And either of these forms is correct. Check if the equations are asked for a specific one. They may ask in question, you have to write in this format, means we have to change it according to that. We have to remodify the equations and evaluate the workout of the value of 9 to the power 1 by 2. So it will be root 9, that is equal to 3, and 64 to the power cubic root of 64 will come, it will be 4. And here 49 cubic 3 by 2 to the power 3 by 2. So we have to write in the form of root 49 whole cube 3. 49 is 7, so it will be 7 cube. So for 7 cube we are having the answer as 343. And for 25 to the power minus 3 by 2, again it can be remodified the equation like this way. So 1 by root 25 cube to the power 2 cube. So root 25 is 5, it will be 5 cube. Again we have to come like this, 1 by 125. Even we can solve this by using the calculator, but we need to understand the procedure how to solve by using the law of indices. Calculator for this, but you still need to be able to show the process, especially for algebraic versions. They may ask in your exams without using calculator, how will you solve this? So you have to process with all the steps. And given that y equal to 1 by 16 x square, x power y, it means root y in the form of kxn, y to the power 1 by 2 in the form of kxn, where k and n are constants. So they have given the y value as 1 by 16 x square. So you have to substitute x square by 16 instead of y. Again you will be getting 1 by 2. Like that the steps will go. So what you have to do, rewrite based on the equation. So here instead of y you have to substitute this value, and here for 1 by 2 you are putting here 1 by 2. And we need to write each power is raised to each part is raised to a power of 1 by 2. So here each and everything you have to make it 1 by 2 like this. And when you do simplification, so here you'll be getting 1 by 4. Root 16 is 4, it will be 1 by 4, and here you'll be cancelling it, you'll be getting like that. So you need to check, we are just writing in the form of kxn. That's it. So again 1 by 16 x square 4y power minus 1 in the form of kxn. So here instead of y you have to substitute this. Like this you have to start with the equation. So here we are substituting it. 4y minus 1, 4 into y value and given y value to the power minus 1. Each part is raised to a power minus 1 and then will then be multiplied by 4. So here you have to take for minus 1 this part and this part. So like this you have to take it out. Again we are just putting like this. This 1 by 16 minus 1, it will be coming like 16, and this one x to the power minus 2. So we are making this in the form of k x to the power n. Simplify more. So 64 will be k and here n will be minus 2. Like this you have to remodify in the given form of the equation k x to the power n. So now we are moving to teachings for exercise 1e. And in n is an integer that is not a square number, then root n is a third. Actually if you put inside the bracket, if it is an integer but it is not a square number, then we'll be giving it to a name as third. It is an example of irrational number. Third is an irrational number. Thirds can be used to leave answers exact without rounding errors and can be manipulated by using the following rules. So for thirds we have got separate rules like root of ab equal to root a multiply b into root b, and square root of a by b equal to square root of a by square root of b. These are some rules we need to follow when you do simplify in the thirds. So this is the third. So you know this rule, you have to expand it like this, root 9 into root 2. Again root 9 you know that it is 3, so it will be 3 root 2 will come. Make sure that whatever you write is very clear. Find a factor which is a square number which you know can, then the square root become like this. You have to be very careful. 3 into root 2 and cubic root 2, it will be different, both are different. And for this problem again you can go like this. For 20 we are putting it as root 4 into root 5. Root 4 is 2, 2 will get cancelled, the answer will be root 5. So like this it will come, root 5. Again for the other equation, so we have got some 3 terms. Here also we need to segregate the terms by using these rules. We are just finding out to check the common factor. So we are having the common factor root 6. Try to find the common factor and square roots can be worked out. We can make it as root 6 here. This root 4 we can make it as 2. Root 49 we can make it as 7. So like that we can expand it. Again we have root 6 is there. Root 6 will be the common term. So we are just putting 5 minus 6 plus 7, we are having 8. So this will be the answer. And expand and simplify if possible other things. So we need to multiply. So it will be coming like this, 5 root 2 minus root 6. And again for this one 2 root of minus 3, 5 plus root 3. So we have to multiply it out. So we'll be having 4 terms. Again what are all the simplification we can done, we can try to do that. So group together like terms and calculate root 9. Whatever it is possible we can calculate like this. So it means 7 minus 3 root 3. So this will be the answer. So teachings for exercise 1F, these are all very simple exercise. It is the continuation of O level. So if a fraction has a third in the denominator, then it can be useful to rearrange it so that the denominator is a rational number. This is called rationalizing the denominator. So this is like a different sort of exercise. For fractions of the form 1 by root a, multiply the numerator and denominator by root a. For the fractions of the form 1 by a plus root b, multiply the numerator and denominator by a minus root b. So for fractions of the form 1 by a minus root b, multiply the numerator and denominator by a plus root b. So we have to rationalize in this way, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, multiply by root 3 by root 3, so we will be getting root 3 by 3. So like this you need you need to rationalize numerator and denominator. So you have to multiply by 3 minus root 2. So then you have to do the expansion. So here you are going with the form called a plus b into a minus b. Like that you can expand the term. So we have to multiply out the brackets and you can simplify. So you will be getting like this, or another way also you can do a plus b, a minus b means it will be like 3 square 9, root 2 into root 2 is 2, so 9 minus 2 is 11. This way also we can do it. So here root 5 plus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. So we have to multiply with root 5 plus root 2. Here also it should come here root 5 plus root 2, root 5 plus root 2. So here you can use a plus b, a minus b rule. Here you can expand it, the numerator. So like this it will come. So we are just expanding the terms. Whatever is possible to cancel, we are cancelling. We are getting the answer as 7 plus 2 root 10 divided by 3. So again another form, 1 minus 3 whole square. So our answer will be, our expansion will be like this format. Multiply out the bracket first. So we are having 4 minus 2 root 3. Then we have to go with the rationalizing the denominator. So now we have to go like this. You have to expand it. 4 plus 2 root 3, 4 minus 2 root 3, 4 plus 2 root 3. Multiply out the brackets. So when we do simplification, you will be getting the answer like this, 4 plus 2 root 3 by root 4. Again we can do simplification by dividing by 2. Thank you, enjoy, good luck. Please subscribe. I think you enjoyed the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.